Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today we compare the GoPro Hero 7 Black with the Sony FDR-X3000 in terms of battery life. Both cameras are shooting 4K 30 fps 60 megabits with stabilization turned on. Both cameras have the wireless connections turned off. The Hero 7 is using the battery of my Hero 6 so that both cameras have batteries with comparable wear levels. With 42 minutes recording time, something happened for me for the first time with the Sony FDR-X3000. A temperature sign appeared on the screen informing that the camera was getting too hot. 52 minutes after start recording, the Sony FDR-X3000 turned off because of overheating. The battery was not yet empty. The GoPro Hero 7 turned off after 1 hour and 14 minutes recording. This ended up not being a normal battery life test as expected, but has showed us that in the same conditions the Sony might not record for as long at a time as the GoPro because it overheats and turns off to protect itself.